Clever Fox Self-Care Journal is an easy-to-use guided diary for anyone who wants to make self-care a daily habit and build a more balanced, sustainable lifestyle. This journal comes in a standard A5 size and measures 5.8 by 8.3 inches. It has a soft-touch vegan leather hardcover, thick 120 GSM pages, 3 colored bookmarks, a back pocket, a pen loop, and an elastic closure. Inside, you will also find 3 sheets of colorful stickers and an illustrated user manual with step-by-step instructions. The journal begins with 2 pages filled with self-care ideas. You can use these to guide you whenever you want to bring more fun and variety into your personal self-care routine. The following pages will help you create a vision for your future and consider anything that prevents you from living your life to the fullest. These exercises will help you see the bigger picture and pinpoint the daily changes you can make to improve your overall life quality. Once you complete the groundwork, use the following spread to set your top goals focused on improving your well-being. Do your best to set at least one goal in each life area to ensure no area is neglected. Finally, it's time to have some fun and design your future self-care vision board and create your personal self-care bucket list. These will help you foster great ideas to try in the future. The journal lasts 3 months with 2 journaling pages daily, 1 each for the morning and the evening. Start your day by filling out the morning page. Here, you can set your daily goal, plan 1 self-care act to fulfill by the end of the day, practice gratitude, and record an affirmation you want to practice. Then, plan out your daily schedule and to-dos, ensuring you allocate plenty of time to rest and recharge. By doing so, you can foster a positive mindset for the day ahead and make self-care a sustainable daily habit. In the evening, use the wellness trackers at the top of the second page to record your sleep hours, screen time, and other data, and answer the prompts below to analyze your feelings and build self-awareness. Each new day features 2 unique questions to keep journaling fun. Taking a few minutes to journal every night is a great way to stay in tune with your body and mind and take good care of them daily. To help you get the most out of using your self-care journal, we've also included convenient monthly calendars to plan your self-care routine and comprehensive progress reviews to reflect on your progress and adjust if needed. Each week also features a unique exercise focused on self-discovery, fostering creativity, and extending your journaling practice. We hope this journal becomes a reliable tool in your day-to-day life, helping you promote your well-being and make lasting, positive lifestyle changes for years to come. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.